People, let me tell you something. You see, as Jamaicans, me realize say a lot of time we jump and cheer for the negative instead of the positive. When you see how the police them are operating in Jamaica right now. Who remember that minute when them say the police them nah do nothing? People no safe for them yard. Foreigners afraid to go down. People overseas more than ever scared of them own country. But me no hear nobody congratulate the police them when serious crime down over 30% and all them kind of something there. And robberies and everything and all of them thing there. And how much gang member and gang leader will not see a job. So what happen when the police them do them work? There is no congratulations. But when them not do them work, we hear all hell break loose. I have always been one of the bloggers them. When I buy a span nothing. Right? And there has been a recent video when me do, not too long ago. When me do that video there, me say, right now, me love how the police them a work. Me love so the police them a get rid of some man if he get rid of. Me no care who for mama want come out come ball, who for brother, who for sister, which community member want come out come ball. Because when other people life a get torment. And people a get robbed and they feel them family member lose them life when in a nothing with criminality. And in a nothing with crime. Me no hear nobody a ball. But as soon as the police them go out with them information and with them intelligence and know who are the murderer them, know who are the this, know who are the that, know who tear down that the shop there, know who did bus shut up to the police jeep, know who did get rid of them smarty there, and go slap them out, everybody start ball. So what do we want really? Do we really want a country where crime is low? We attract investors. We attract businesses. We create employment. We boost tourism. And we make people can live a better life. And make the very people them who left them country. And go foreign to go work and make money to build them nice big house. And go down when them all are arthritis take up them knee. And then can't manage the coal. Can go down in them house and Jamaica go lay down in them bed and live good life. No. Enough of them people, they have all their money and they are foreign same way and decide to say, them now go back to Jamaica because it's too dangerous. Where the congratulations there for the police force? Where the congratulations there for the Jamaica constabulary force? For the past couple of months. Me hear people come and say crime only a good on now because election a come. Me no care when crime a good on. Me just want to know say crime a good on. Because things when get from bad to worse. How can you have a country where police fear criminal? They know say state will get overrun. Can you really have a country where police fear criminal like in Haiti? You cannot have that. So when I see the police them go out there right now, and all our rights group and this a group and that the group, you no need to come down now and make the police them do them work. Remember me don't tell you already, you know. If me get caught in the aftermath of everything, if me end up be a part of everything and whatever, because if me no in a crime, I say go, me no in a crime. Me no run from police, me no afraid of police, me no in a crime. Enough of them man ya, all of them man want to see police them go lick down. Whether them are 15 year old, 16, 17, 18, 19, 13 year old, they are places right now I do crime. I walk with the biggest machine. So what? Became a 15 year old him innocent? 15 year old have 3 dopey. But him innocent? Oh, police kick off the door and when they does 13 year old and when they does 15 year old. He can take up crime at 13 year old and 15 year old. Then he can go get 6'6" then. Cause if you are 13 year old and want to take up big chip Glock and go lick down people and lick down Esmadi there, you are 13, 14 year old and you are 3 up people in your head already. So when police come for you, whenever you say sorry for you and say you're too young, if you no take up badness, you no pick on no spot. Pick on no grave spot when you no take up badness and know see a study thing go. Me have to congratulate the work with the police them are doing in Jamaica right now. Me and them blogger they as soon as something come viral. When police look away our police now do them job that me a jump on. Me a jump on the bandwagon and the train right now where the police they are doing their jobs and making Jamaica a lot safer. Where people can celebrate and say, yeah man, things are look better. Ask anybody where they are foreign right now. What the one thing we make them go back to Jamaica, go buy a piece of land and build a house. Or start a business in their community. The crime. The crime. How many returning residents we see lose them 3 pints? You don't think say everybody want to see go foreign to go work a foreign and live and spend the rest of their life? Eh? You don't think that everybody want to see buy a house a foreign, did want buy a house a foreign? A war go on in the country make them do it. So when I see the police, they will do them job. And I get rid of enough of them little old waste of time, no good, waste man, no ambition, no purpose kind of man. Make them get rid of them. If you want to live your life and say you're a bad man, and that this you want to do, and that you want to do, you want to rob people, you want this, God go with you. Me not have no problem. When the police show up at your yard, lick you down, throw you in a van back, and carry you go mag. What kind of problem you could have? Are you take up badness, you know? Are you go rob people every day? Are you walk up and down every day with big old Mac 90 and all them kind of sitting there? Where you go? And that's not the culture we want for Jamaica. Go on 80. Go on over 80 with it. You know, it pain me out enough time when you see all the elder and they say that they have spent 35, 40 years in America, Canada, or England. And they say, I would love to go back home because all my kids and my grandkids are grown. I'm boring. I have so much family member in Jamaica. I have a big piece of land. I would like to go down and do some farming and just live a nice, comfortable, tranquil life. Nothing too exciting, just a normal, regular life and just comfortable and good. And then can't do it. And go enjoy the sunshine. Them can't do it because them afraid. The community where them come from, a big extortion run the day. You go in as a foreigner, you go in the first night, them come tear down your place. And probably you don't live to come out of it either and tell the tales. Well, not tell me, say. I don't know glad say the police them do their job. The amount of gang member me see the police them a job from what day, yeah. Me have to say congratulations. A long time they fear do their work. Me hear the whole Jamaica cost police all the while so them no serve no purpose. Where them a get paid with taxpayers money for? So now when them a do their work, me no hear nobody come and congratulate the police them. But I want to say a special congratulations to the Jamaica Constabulary Force in Jamaica right now. Right? For the extraordinary work we now do right now. And get rid of the criminal them. And lower the crime rate in the country. And that we want. Jamaica too beautiful for not be safe. What if you hear me I say? Jamaica is too much of an impacting, popular, beautiful destination to not be a safe place for any and everybody. That's how we want the country to be. All of we want to mash you up, get rid of them police, we don't have no problem. Make law-abiding citizens who want to work hard, build up themselves and live a good life. Make them control the country. All who are run down badness and want to go rob and want to go do this and want to go do that. 6'6". Police, I hope all of these human rights group and this a group and that they group go sit them, listen to me no man, go one side, come down and make police do them work. When they say country a mash up, wait to go take these people visit the country a mash up. All I know, the Jamaica Constabulary Force of recently has been doing a splendid job. And I want to congratulate them and applaud them for the tremendous work. And we are seeing the results. And that we want all along. Jamaica, at this we need. We now black more road when they go get rid of the whole criminal again. And them kind of something they and tell no life you know criminal. A full time for the criminal them take off of the earth and go somewhere else. We know Satan go fire all kind of shot and do all kind of sit no one. Believe with me.